Welcome. In front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I will show you how you can rename this TV. It's very simple. You have to tap on the settings icon in your remote control. Next you have to scroll down with arrows until you find the network settings. Click OK, then tap on the red arrow, click on the TV name, and then here you get the keyboard, so we can simply navigate with the arrows. Just like in my case, let's take it off and change the name. I'll type here LG LED, and exactly my model, so that we get the 39 inches. When you want to pick one of the symbol, for example letters, you have to tap on the OK and navigate then with arrows, and if you finish you have to click OK on your remote control on the enter to confirm, and as you can see, name of our TV has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.